Yeah, we are dogu. We are dogu. Billiard. Stand. Can you just stop this snoring now? This is what is causing problem in this compound. Stand up first, let's talk. Eh? What is the problem? How can you be snoring like this? Your snoring is vibrating to the point that it has given a mark in this wall. As a matter of fact, that's even the reason why the landlord called me now. Eh? How can you be snoring like that?
Is that why you came and wake me up from?
Why won't I wake you up? How can you be so? What kind of snoring is that one
I
now?
was enjoying my sleep. Now you came.
What kind of enjoyment? Eh?
Why would landlord be saying that now? Are we owing him house rent? Have you not paid him his house rent?
Even if you pay him house rent, can't you just maintain mute in your own house? Why can you be disturbing your neighborhood?
Although he cannot tell me how I will sleep in a house that we've paid for. What's the meaning of that?
Even if the landlord did not complain, me, I'm complaining. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of your snoring. How can you be snoring like this?
Snore your own now. Leave me snore your own. I want to enjoy my sleep. You know I'm snore.
See, this thing will not continue like this, so this thing will not continue. You go and learn how to sleep. Eh?
I don't know. When did snoring become an offense now? You go and snore your own now.
It's an offense because you finish all the food in the house. Anyone that passes, you will eat. Tomato pass, you eat. Gushi pass, you eat. Okra, ogono, you eat. Even at the end of the day, you carry coke and digest it. At the end of it, you start snoring for me here. Go and learn how to sleep. Oh. You are disturbing me even though the landlord did not complain. I've told you.
Shkari, which one will be this? We're not owing him. Okay, but are you sure you paid that man his house rent, Odogu? I don't think you paid that man, though. If you paid him, he's not supposed. I won't let me. I want to do my way. Wake me up now. Shkari, this one person cannot snore in peace again.